What's going on? This is your first look at DiamondBack's new flagship product. Here it is. I want to take a moment to go over the features of the Tempo tool belt to let you know why it is different than the previous DiamondBack tool belts and any other tool belt that you've ever experienced. The first thing that you'll notice is the new DB38 buckle. We've replaced the Cobra quick release buckle with this new DB38 buckle. Over the years, we've received feedback on the Cobra buckle that A, it slips over the course of the workday, and B, that it is very hard to adjust when putting layers on or taking layers off when weather is changing, you're in 4-season days. The DB38 buckle solves those issues. First, it has a spring-loaded bar in the inside that has teeth on it that grips to the webbing, that keeps the webbing from slipping over the course of a workday. Secondly, because it's a spring-loaded bar in here, it is really easy to adjust. I'd like to draw your attention to next the no sag floating webbing. On the outside of the no sag floating webbing is segmented webbing right here that is perfectly spaced for 1 or 2 clip DiamondBack accessories. It's a no sag webbing. We've seen that people have issues with their current DiamondBack belts and belts of the like. When you're weighing them down, that the webbing, if the tension is not done properly, they will sag. This webbing right here is reinforced in the inside. It does not sag and it holds your pouches in place. You will also notice on the control arm we have these double loop and D-ring connection points. They exist 1, 2, 3, 4 places on the belt. In between them we have single loop connection points 1, 2, and 3. This allows you to attach any type of 4-point or 3-point suspenders to this belt. The double loops allow you to use the D-ring for suspenders or slide through. So whatever the attachment point on the suspenders is, this belt accommodates it. The inside of the control arms, you'll see a thick segmented padding right here. On the bottom is a material that we call DiamondGrip. It's really, really tacky. This keeps the belt from sliding down on your clothes over the course of a workday. It sort of grips your gear and holds it into place. The segmented padding then allows for airflow and then minimal break-in time. You'll see that the belt curves quite easily with the segmented padding. This is the new DiamondBack BAC or BAC system. It is a new way of having your belt be adaptable to your body shape. Let's look at it a little bit closer. On the back side, you have a thick 3D spacer mesh padding that is breathable with our DiamondGrip on the bottom that keeps the belt padding from sliding in the back. What's important about this is that it sticks out and gives a bulge, which means that it sits right there in your L1 through L5 section of your back, actually providing a ton of support. On the front side, you'll see that you have a section of Hypalon with our segmented webbing here, so you can attach any 1 or 2-point clip-on attachments from DiamondBack. Also, you can easily attach a pouch onto the back side of your bags as well. When we open the BAC, you'll see that the control arms in the inside are removable. This is really strong Velcro. This gives you the ability to adjust the contour of your belt either up or down and create the curve on the belt that best suits your body type. See that nice little downward curve right there? Additionally, this allows you to have a macro adjustment point on the belt. So if you need more arms to come around the front, you can extend out the belt away from the center of the pad. See that? Or if you need the arms to come in because you need more webbing on the front, you can bring them in far overlap them and not have any issue. But that's not all with the BAC system. We provide you 2 different inserts, one flexible, one not so flexible, that you can use to control how much support you have in the back. If you need a firm back support, we've got an insert for that. If you want the back support to be more flexible, we have one for that. Or you can choose to not use any of the additional support features at all and just use the BAC system as it comes, and it's very flexible. You'll notice when I set up the DiamondBack Tempo belt, I made the curve of the belt go down. Well, why did I do that? If you're wearing a belt right now, like a normal belt, and you were to take it off your pants and look at it, it would make a downward smile, which means that your body is stretching whatever leather or material into a downward fashion, right? That is what is most ergonomically comfortable for you. I've adjusted this Tempo belt into a downward curve for maximum fit. The back pad fits firmly in my L1 through L5 area of my lower back, providing support. And check this out. My loose webbing sticks to hook and loop on the side. So there's a quick overview on the new DiamondBack Tempo belt. I hope you enjoy using it. We look forward to your feedback on it, and we hope and we know that you are going to be more comfortable and supported on the job. Thanks, y'all.